Hello, my dear friends. Today I'm going to show you how to use a proper heading style in Microsoft Word. And there are some peculiarities how to do it. For example, a cover page, you have to choose title style. I have a text here, and this is my cover page, and I want to use title style on the cover page. I highlight the name of the cover page title and go to Home tab, choose the title style, click on title style here, and here we go. Of course, don't forget to choose righteous font which you will apply. Then you need to change the color, and I like to use text effects, for example, shadow, or let me see, or glowing. I use glowing. So my title page is ready. The next step, at the top of page 1, I will use heading 1 style. So page number 1, and this is the top of page 1, and I will use heading 1 style. On the Home tab, I choose heading 1. Of course, don't forget about font. I will use this font, maybe enlarge it a little bit, and I will glow it and change the color. And in paragraph settings, I will choose border and shading, and I would like to choose a border. For example, I will use this border, and of course I like to choose shadings. For example, I like light gray, and probably I will choose another color of the border. So here we are. It's don't choose, it's don't changed. Okay. So the next what I'm going to do is to change the heading 2 style for the section headings, and to select them all I need to press Ctrl key. So I just highlight the section heading, press Ctrl and hold it, then highlight, but my Ctrl is holding. I do it that every borders and shadings will be the same style and color. I use this borderline, and shading I will use maybe green. Press OK, and here we are. So I hope you will like this video, and please don't forget about the font, because the font is changed automatically and you need to highlight it again and change any font you need. For example, you can a little bit increase font size or decrease it. And then you can apply text effects and typography. I like to glowing text because it's look like more professional. So I hope this video helped you a lot, and have a great day. Bye.